The qualifications for a biohazard technician are all OSHA-based or state local law-based. You've got your bloodborne pathogens, respiratory protection. Along with that, you should have fit testing done. You have to have a medical questionnaire before you can even do your fit testing. There's chemical training. There's personal protective equipment training. And I think the most important part is having a third party or outside source do your training and validate that training. There's second party trainings that are important, or testing you can take, but then there's, more importantly, third party, where there's completely independent organization that'll come in and do a non-biased test, and you have to pass that test. So we make all of our staff do the third party so that they're validated by an outside source.